Is your old heavy antivirus software eating up your system resources and getting heavier each day? Are you fed up with your users complaining about the performance of their computers? Are your computers feeling sick and complaining about being loaded with an antivirus software, which decreases their capabilities to feel healthy and fresh? You can keep spending your budget on maintaining your computers, upgrading their hardware resources every year. You may even think about forgetting about endpoint security and removing your antivirus software to give your machine some fresh air to breathe. Or, you can enjoy the full power of your computer with ESET. Bring back the smile to your system. Brought to you by Over IP. Endpoint security is the practice of securing endpoints or entry points of end-user devices such as desktops, laptops, mobile devices of all types, and data center servers from being exploited by malicious actors and campaigns. Endpoint security systems protect these endpoints on a network or in the cloud from cybersecurity threats. Common types of malware that affect endpoints include viruses, spyware, ransomware, and others. When choosing your antivirus software, you usually look for one that has high detection and removal capabilities to secure your endpoints, fast and light to preserve system resources, and simple to install and use. Providing detection, speed, or usability is not enough. You need all three to have a smooth, enjoyable online journey. Secure your business with the trusted award-winning ESET cybersecurity technology that has the best balance between detection, speed and usability. It blocks and eliminates even the most advanced threats. Built to keep you running fast, with no interruptions. And provides set and forget protection you can install in minutes. You can manage all your ESET business products across all operating systems through ESET Protect Dashboard, which is a multifunctional remote security management tool available both as cloud or on-premise. Through ESET Protect Dashboard, you get instant visibility of network security, automated resolution of security incidents, simple management of endpoints, flexible reporting and configuration. According to the latest AV Comparatives test results, ESET has the lowest impact on system performance in the market with a value of 1.2 points. ESET's incomparable performance is paired with competitive prices, which offers the best value for money in the market. In addition to endpoint security, ESET offers a complete best-in-class security portfolio that includes endpoint detection and response, two-factor authentication, various encryption options, and data loss prevention. For more information, please visit www.eset.com.